Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Um, we have Spot here with us and we're gonna go check out a cool new spot that just opened up a couple months ago here on US 1. It's called Route 7 and it's an adrenaline warehouse. We're gonna go check it out, take you inside and see what cool stuff they have in. All right, let's go.
Some people want to.
All right, so we already have a card, so we're gonna reload it, but you can also get a new one and you're gonna have to go through the registration and to sign a waiver. But we already have one signed, so it's gonna be a little bit easier for us. So let's go ahead and reload and see what cool stuff we can do. So they have a really cool little ride area over here, and it's all electric and it's super duper quiet, but it depends on your age in terms of how fast you can go. There's a really cool arcade, of course, because you can't have a spot without arcade. They have a scary game, yes. And then on the top they have little track and they also have zip lines. But we're gonna go do this cool ninja course first. So we love the ninja course probably just as much as we love the ballistic part, which we'll show you shortly. But this is super cool. It's for kids of all ages. There's a cool little cubby for your shoes. And then you just go in there in your socks. And the best part, you don't even have to bring your own socks. I mean, you don't have to buy the socks. You can bring your own. And if you come here during the week, there's nobody here, which is fantastic. So we have some more games over here. They also have laser tag, which is really cool. And there's a zip line. And the zip line is pretty neat. And then there's this esports arena where you can play computer games. And then this right here is the ballistics part. And we'll show that to you in just a minute. So ballistics has these cool little foam balls that you can shoot up and all over the place, and it's got all kinds of cool little labyrinth type things for kids to play with. We have this dark ride experience, which is pretty neat. And there's a restaurant and bar, which is pretty awesome. So So this is the restaurant and bar. It's called Fuel Up. It's a pretty neat concept. And then they have bowling here as well, but it's little bowling with these little balls, and we're gonna check it out in just a little bit once the Munchkin is done playing in ballistics area. Again, this is the aerial course here, which is pretty cool. And then, of course, just giving you guys a closer look on all the cool games that they have here in the arcade. So what do you think? Would you guys want to come here? This is pretty neat. Opened just a few months ago, like I was saying earlier. It's a little hidden gem of Brevard County here in Central Florida. So that was super fun. Hope you enjoyed our little tour, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this one. Bye.